Okay guys, we've got 1 cup of water back here already boiling. We're going to put in half a cup of rice. You always do. And then you stir it. I normally stir it with a fork, but just stir it and then we're going to leave it alone. We're going to set our timer for 15 minutes. And that's all you do. Rice cook, the way I cook mine, rice cooks for 15 minutes. If you use 2 cups of water, you use 1 cup of rice. If you use 1 cup of water, it's half a cup of rice. It's 2 to 1 cooking. Now in here, in this one, I have my bacon, just little pieces of bacon browning. And it doesn't have to get all the way brown. We don't need it all. We're just browning it and getting all these little brown bacon and a little bit of, see the little bit of bacon grease? Now that's just the way I do mine. You don't have to. You can use vegetable oil, you can use butter, whatever. We're fixing to make some stewed tomatoes. We're going to have tomatoes and rice. Now, I'm just going to take my bacon up. I'll let them cool, and that'll be a treat for the dogs. Okay, now, I have a 28-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. I'm a Hunt's girl. And we're going to pour those in there. Now, I prefer frozen ones. And you just, now I'm going to turn, that's on a 6, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on about an 8. So, because I want it to get to boiling and cooking real good. And it'll kind of cook these tomatoes down and make them softer. The one thing about these, they're already done, you know. But when I salt something, I just go straight across like that and then back across. That's just how I do it. And we got to salt don't forget to salt your rice. And we're going to black pepper our, I don't black pepper my rice. That's up to you if you want a black pepper. I'm going to put some black pepper in our tomatoes. I like a pinch of sugar in mine, guys. I like mine just a little bit sweet, but when I talk about a little bit, now this is 1/3 of a cup, and you see I hardly have any in there. It doesn't take much to change the flavor. Makes them just a little bit sweet. And that's how I like mine. Now if you don't like yours that way, if you prefer them the acidy way, just leave them. Just leave them alone. Apparently we're supposed to get some rain because my rice and my tomatoes are cooking down. I like a little bit more. See, I would like these to be completely ready to eat with that much juice in them. So I'm going to put, and this is just your taste, I'm going to put a little bit more water in these because they're just cooking down quite a bit. We must be going to get rain. And it does that, you know, when you're cooking. If you're a young cook, a newlywed or whatever, if the weather is going to rain, your water is going to cook out faster. I do not know the science behind that, but that's just the way it goes. And then look at our rice. See, it's still got water in there right now, but I've still got right at 5 minutes and 22 seconds. So I'm going to keep my eye on that because it's looking like I might have to add a little bit of water to that. Okay, we are going to have to add more water. See how it's looking? There's no water in that, and I've still got 3 minutes. So all I'm going to do is like this. Just a little bit. And guys, I don't measure. I just kind of add. But take our plate, put my rice down on it to dip my tomatoes. And I like a lot of tomatoes on my rice. There again, guys, that is a taste preference. But there you go, guys. Tomato gravy and rice. That's my tomato gravy and rice. I know other people cook it different. This is how Debbie cooks it. All right. Love you guys.